Hey, welcome to Tar Nation. This is my kriss Vector. It shoots 45s. Everybody says that hits like a sledgehammer. Now we want to find out if it really does hit like a sledgehammer. So we got this here wedge thingy in this log, and we're going to shoot the end of it to see if 45 will pound it in like a sledgehammer. Let's see what happens. Maybe we should stand back a tiny bit. Where are we hitting? Oh, we got one hit there. We're hitting her. It's not going in a whole lot. Just shoot it a few more times just to make sure this doesn't work. It's more pulling it out than anything. Not looking like it's going to work, ladies and gentlemen. Therefore, a 45 technically does not hit like a sledgehammer. Thanks for watching Tar Nation. Here's some copper shrapnel for you.